name is Matt Baltz and my job title is Data Center Engineer. I work for a company called Strategic Solutions. We do mid-market SMB healthcare in Richmond, Virginia. The most valuable features of VSAN are consistent performance, our linear cost that's helped us in our data center, and better performance. The benefits that we're seeing are directly related to our customers. They have better experiences using their EMR system and their practice management. The manageability is, it's definitely fully integrated into the VMware stack, so it's very easy to use from the web client. Using VSAN Observer, we were able to see exactly what the VSAN environment is doing on a day-to-day basis. So we've gotten to really enjoy that interface. We actually, just by incrementally increasing the cost of our servers plus the licensing, we're able to linearly scale our environment as opposed to doing forklift upgrades. The stability exceeds what we're currently on from a standard SAN platform. The scalability is much greater than the current SAN that we're on because we're technically locked into a certain number of disks and a certain number of performance. And so the scalability is drastically improved. We currently have a 4-node cluster and we're going to be just incrementally moving off of our legacy SAN. They were very responsive, the technical support staff was, specifically patching hosts. And what I did not know was the default action is to evacuate the host. So I actually created a situation where it was doing host evacuations during the middle of the day. Whereas if you were to do a maintenance mode with non-evacuation, that wouldn't happen. But they were able to get to the root cause and provide us an answer on why that happened. I wasn't familiar at all with VSAN at the time, so there was a little learning curve there. But outside of that, it would be comparable to setting up a legacy SAN environment. The features I am most looking forward to are the performance monitoring capabilities of VSAN Observer being transitioned into the web client. That's what I'm really looking forward to. We made the jump to VSAN primarily due to cost renewals going up year over year on traditional platforms. The software and hardware costs that we see now is just linear and we know what it's going to be. We actually have been with VMware for quite a while, so we made the choice to use VSAN because of that partnership that we've had over the years. So we're fully focused in VMware and we love the product, and that's why we chose VSAN. Everybody wants to say 10, and I would say it's going to be a 10. I love VSAN, and I would say it's probably an 8, and there's room for improvement. So it's constantly being worked on, and I think it's going to be a storage platform going forward. My colleagues looking into VSAN, I would recommend looking into the VSAN ready nodes. They're pre-configured, and you can customize your build to whatever you want, really, without having to build it your own necessarily. So we aren't currently using the ready nodes, but I could see where a ready node would be beneficial for deployment. Time to deploy would be improved using a ready node. Peer reviews and peer contents are amazing things to be doing, and that's part of the reason why we come here. We want to maintain our relevance industry-wide, and so we always constantly bounce ideas off of other peers in the industry.